Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how a computer can think, make decisions, or even play games with you? It all comes down to something called logic. Logic is the invisible brain that drives every computer in the world. From your smartphone to supercomputers, everything works because of logical thinking, not emotions, not guesses, but pure reasoning. Part 1. What is computer logic? Computer logic is the mathematical way a machine makes decisions. Unlike humans, computers don't rely on feelings or opinions. They only understand two simple states, 1 and 0, true and false, on and off. This system is called binary logic. Although it seems simple, binary logic is incredibly powerful. By combining ones and zeros in different patterns, computers can represent letters, images, music, and even complex artificial intelligence. Every calculation, every program, and every app you use is built from this foundation. So, when we say that computers think, what they're really doing is processing millions of logical decisions per second. Part 2. Logic gates, the building blocks. To apply logic, computers use components called logic gates. A logic gate is a tiny electronic circuit that takes one or more inputs and produces an output based on logical rules. Let's look at the main types. AND gate. This gate gives an output of 1 only when all inputs are 1. Think of it as two switches that must both be on for the light to turn on. OR gate. This gate gives an output of 1 if at least one input is 1. Even if just one switch is on, the light turns on. NOT gate. This gate simply reverses the logic. If the input is 1, the output becomes 0, and if it's 0, the output becomes 1. There are also more advanced gates. NAND, the opposite of AND. NOR, the opposite of OR. And XOR, which gives a true output only if the inputs are different. These logic gates work together in complex combinations to form digital circuits. They are the foundation of processors, memory, and every part of a computer's hardware. Part 3. How logic works in real life. Logic isn't just in hardware, it's also in software. In programming, logic decides what a computer should do next. For example, when you write a simple if-else statement, you are using logic. If this condition is true, do this. Otherwise, do something else. That's pure logical reasoning in action. In games, logic decides if your character wins, loses, or levels up. In websites, logic helps control what you see when you click a button. Even in artificial intelligence, logic combines with data to help machines make smarter decisions like recognizing faces, translating languages, or driving cars. Every digital technology, no matter how advanced, is built upon logical structures designed decades ago. Conclusion. Without logic, a computer would be nothing more than a lifeless box of wires. Logic gives the computer the ability to process, calculate, and decide. It allows machines to act almost